I discovered LinkedIn 6 years ago. I was in the restaurant industry actually, and LinkedIn was the platform that was this space where you could connect with other professionals. I used it to try to find opportunities, and I discovered that it was something that I could leverage for myself. I accidentally created kind of a lead gen system that started my first startup that was acquired 2.5 years ago, and then I pivoted into the LinkedIn ad side. And that's where I fell in love with actual marketing because I learned it and taught myself and got a bunch of consultants to help me along the way. And LinkedIn ads, in my mind, is this huge underused, misunderstood piece of the puzzle where you can actually target your ideal ICP a little easier than most of the other platforms. And more importantly, what I found was that the retargeting aspect of LinkedIn ads was like some superpower because unlike all the other platforms where you could just retarget all your website visitors, LinkedIn actually can qualify all of your website traffic by layering on these high powered filters on top of your warm retargeting audience to make sure that you're just retargeting your best fit ICP group. And so that's where I fell in love with LinkedIn ads, LinkedIn retargeting, and became more of a broad market marketer myself in the process.